Two-way data binding is one of the most misunderstood features in modern frameworks. Let's break down what it really means. Two-way data binding creates automatic synchronization between your model and your view in both directions. When the user types in an input field, the data model updates immediately. And when your code changes the model, the UI updates instantly. This bidirectional flow is what makes it two-way, unlike one-way binding where data flows in only one direction. In Angular, you use the banana in a box syntax with a model. It's literally square brackets inside parentheses wrapping a model. This combines property binding and event binding into one directive. Vue uses ViewModel, which does the same thing. Both create that automatic two-way sync between your template and your component data. Two-way binding shines in forms and user input scenarios where you need immediate feedback. It's perfect for text inputs, checkboxes, and select dropdowns, but it comes with trade-offs. The automatic updates can create performance overhead with large datasets, and debugging data flow becomes harder because changes can come from multiple sources. One-way binding gives you more control and predictability, so modern best practices often favor it for complex applications. Use two-way binding when the convenience outweighs the complexity cost. Remember, two-way data binding automatically syncs your model and view in both directions. Master this concept and you'll ace framework questions. Practice more on Interview Mentor. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.